Hi, when you install Office 2016, you see that you can choose to install only components that you want. All components will be installed. If you want to customize installation, you can use Office 2016 deployment tool. In this video, I will show how to customize Office 2016 to install only Word and Excel. First, insert Office 2016 installation media on your computer, but don't run the setup program. Just remember which drive or folder. In this example, I have the media on D drive. Next, open web browser to the following URL and download the tool. After that, extract the file by any zip program. In this example, I'm going to extract the file with WinRAR by right-click on the file and select Extract to Office Deployment folder. Next, open the folder. You see that there are 3 files. I will modify configuration.xml by right-click on the file, select Open With, and select Notepad. I will copy and paste my pre-configured settings and will explain each settings after that. The first is source to Office 2016 media, which I have it on D drive as mentioned earlier. Next, edition. You can choose to install 32 or 64-bit. Next, product ID. If you have Office 2016, keep it as this value. Next, language. I want to install English version, so I use this value. Next, exclude apps are the list of components that I don't want to install. From this exclusion example, only Word and Excel will be installed. You can check more information about this configuration file by opening this URL. On this page, you will see information how to write configuration file. For example, source to Office 2016 media, client edition 32 or 64-bit, components that you want to exclude, and language you want to install. Let's go back to the configuration file. Here are sample configuration and are commented by this tag, so it won't be processed when you use this configuration file. When you finish modify the file, don't forget to save the file by click File and Save. Then I will use setup.exe that comes with the deployment tool and the configuration file to install Office. Open Command Prompt by right-click on Windows icon at bottom left and select Command Prompt. Next, change path to the folder that you extract the deployment tool. Then type setup/configure configuration.xml and press Enter. This command will initiate the installation using configuration file that I modified earlier. If there is no error on the configuration file, you see Office 2016 is installing, and only 2 components will be installed, which are Word and Excel. So that's it for this video. If you have any question or suggestion, please post below. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.